Everybody, welcome over here. Want to give you a little bit quick insight on Google Business listings, and these days called Google Business Profile. Google these days just came out. They prefer you do not use stock photos. So in the past, Google's guideline is make sure you have minimum of 10 photos minimum, right? I'm talking minimum. 10 photos uploaded onto your Google listing, right? These days called Google Business Profile. So in the past, right, hey, upload as many as possible, minimum of 10. And the reason for doing that is families, when they do not know much about you, when they're looking you up, that's its hospice referral, they will just Google your business. And very often, right, instead of going on your website first, especially mobile device, they will see your listing first. And then from here, they're gonna take a quick look. Okay, let me look at some photos. Right, so that's why the more photos, the better it is from trust point of view. So in the past, it's like, hey, just upload minimum of 10. And Google just came out and said, hey, they prefer these photos not to be stock photos, right? Many of you would have used stock photos, right? So to make sure you have more than 10, and Google came out, hey, they're starting to disapprove stock photos. And they're actually going back to remove stock photos from there. So my recommendation is, right, it doesn't take much time at all. Go look at your Google listing and remove the stock photos from there and uploaded new ones. And it's very simple to do, right? It's very simple. You just Google your own business name, and from there you can update your photos. Let me show you how to do this. So you can just Google your own business name. Assuming you're logged in, then you would see a portal up here, and you can directly update your business information, right? Edit your profile, read review, message. Over here is where you get to upload photos, right? All you have to do is just drag and drop. You can update your logo, update your cover photo. So please go ahead and really audit your Google Business Profile, your Google listing. Make sure the photos on there, minimally you have 10, and make sure those photos are not stock photos.